world liberation is more important than world peace, of course, but I don't dare to ask for more. I pray myself in my heart that the world might have peace and liberation. Liberation meaning enlightenment, and their souls can be liberated. It seems like physical wellness is nowhere to be guaranteed. Even if their physical bodies have to suffer due to their karma, I try and beg heaven and God to let me do what I can to help their soul so they can be liberated, after the physical body. So we pray for their soul's liberation. We're vegan, then we'll have world peace. And then world liberation, according to that.
For more details and free downloads, please visit SupremeMasterTV.com.